Let's talk about what you can do if you uploaded a YouTube short and you're getting 0 views. And by the way, it did work for me. My short ended up having a decent amount of views for my channel. I'm sure that when you upload shorts, there's kind of a range of views that you're usually expecting to see. But in my case, I was getting 0 views from Shorts feed. So you can see here, after 1 hour 30, I only had 2 views, which is insane. And I let it run, and after 8 hours, all my other shorts would usually have more than 1,000 views, but this one only had 6. So I would recommend uploading another short to see if it's getting a normal amount of views. If it's the case, it means that this specific short is the problem. So you have to figure out what made your video too controversial. It's gonna be different for everybody. In my case, I was saying the word nipple a lot in the video, but not in a sexual way. It's a comedy video, and I did search online, and people can say the word on YouTube, and they can even show them. So technically, it should be fine, but the fact that it was mentioned too much is probably what triggered the algorithm. So now let's review exactly what I did. First, I unlisted the original video because at this point, YouTube won't share it. The algorithm kind of blocked this one. I went back into the editing and I tried to censor some words to make it more algorithm friendly. So in my case, I was saying the nipple word maybe 5 times in the original video. I couldn't avoid this word 100% because then the short didn't make sense. So I got it from 5 mentions to 2. In the video, I'm also showing it, and I decided to leave that on screen because otherwise the short wouldn't make sense or wouldn't be funny. But I did also remove the problematic word from the title of the short. And you have to be careful here because if you don't edit your video enough, YouTube might think you're spamming the same content over and over. So in my case, I also tried to change the edit in some other subtle ways just to be sure that it wouldn't be flagged as spam. So in your case, maybe you're using a word or showing footage that YouTube doesn't like, and you might not need to remove it completely, but at least toning it down seems to be the key. But I did try one additional thing when I uploaded my short. So normally when you upload a short, you have to define how ad-friendly this video is, and usually I just set it to none of the above. And again, this video, I don't think it's sexual or anything like that, but just to be safe, I just set it to some nudity to see if it would work. So when you do that, some ads will be restricted on this video, but at least the YouTube algorithm will finally show your video to people. So I did try this because I was a bit desperate to see if it would work or not. But it might be overkill, so it's really up to your discretion if you want to go this far with your own upload. So after doing all these things, I uploaded my short and now it was normal. After a few minutes of uploading it, I was getting a lot of views from the Shorts feed, and it means that the algorithm was okay with sharing this one. So I hope this solution will work for you. If you're experiencing similar issues, please leave a comment in the video because it was really hard to find good information online on how to fix this. So I'm sure if you leave a comment, it's going to help others out to understand what's happening to them. All right. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.